You know that moment when you've written the perfect AI prompt, but it's buried in your Slack messages or lost in a doc you didn't name properly? Let's fix that today. Hi, I'm Emma, a seasoned project manager showing you how to use AI to cut the admin clutter so you can focus on the human side of delivery. Hit like and follow me if you want to free yourself up to be the leader that you always imagined you'd be. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to document prompts in Notion so you never have to lose the gold stuff again. We'll look at what to track, how to structure it, and how to improve your prompts over time. And if you want a head start, I've created a free Notion documentation lab with ready-made templates. The link is in the description. Let's start with the obvious question. Why bother documenting your prompts in the first place? Because if you don't, you're setting yourself up for stress and wasted hours. Here are my 3 big reasons why you should document prompts. It saves time. No more trying to rebuild a magic prompt from memory at 4:59 p.m. It makes workflows repeatable and shareable. You're not just helping yourself, you're building resources for your team. And it helps you improve. You'll spot patterns, debug odd results, and refine your prompts over time. Remember, prompting isn't just asking a tool to do something, it's iterative. You tweak, you test, you learn. If you don't capture what worked and why, you waste time and you repeat mistakes. Here's a little insight into my documentation light bulb moment. We were a week away from releasing a software solution. The AI tool we'd relied on for all of our graphics and all of our animation kicked us out of the pro version overnight. No warning, no grace period, poof, gone. We ended up rewriting prompts from scratch under pressure and lost hours and a little bit of sanity, and documentation would have saved us in this instance. I am here today to tell you, please learn from my pain. So now you're convinced, the next question is, what exactly should you document? And here is what to include. Number 1, you want a prompt title. Make sure it's searchable. Use verbs, for example, summarize project meeting notes, and then you can search for that in Notion. Number 2, a use case. What job is the prompt doing? And be specific about this. Number 3, prompt text. Save the exact prompt and not just the output. If context made a difference, capture that too. Number 4, what inputs does it need? Does it need specific documentation? And what does it rely on? Number 5, what is the expected output? What do you want back from it? Is there a specific format or tone or style? Number 6, which tool did you actually use? Because they all behave differently. And number 7, what are your tweaks and observations? What are the quirks? For example, what works best with bullet points or goes too formal unless you remind it? So you don't need a perfect system. Start with this as a foundation and your future self and your team will thank you. So you might be wondering, what's the best tool for all of this? And as I've mentioned, Notion is my favorite choice because the code command lets you copy prompts in a single click. You can also build a simple database with fields for name, prompt, notes, and results, etc. It's also easy to customize and expand upon, and it works as a kind of library of prompts in future. But if you don't like Notion, try Google Sheets. It's fast, shareable, and works well if you love tables. Obsidian for better markdown-based workflows. Airtable if you want more structure or automation. But whatever tool you use, the key is consistency and clarity. Get into the habit now in order to save time in the long run. The final piece of the puzzle is keeping your documentation alive. Here's how to stop it becoming another dusty folder that no one opens. Review your prompts monthly, archive the ones you do not use, add new learnings as you go, and update based on feedback. If a prompt underperforms, log what happened and adjust it. Treat this like you would any other standard operating procedure. You're not capturing perfection, you're capturing progress. Good prompt documentation saves time and sanity. So if you've been wasting time hunting for that one perfect prompt, start documenting today. It keeps your brain clear and your workflows smart. Start with a simple system like Notion and tweak as you go. I've made it easy for you. Get my free Notion documentation lab. It has templates that are ready to go with some sneaky little prompts in there too. The link is in the description. Like this video if you found it useful and subscribe for more ways to lead smarter with AI.